Hello guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but today I am cooking lima beans with my grandmother. We already have boiled the ham bone and the turkey necks for about an hour. And then now we are about to add the lima beans in, and I'm going to show y'all the seasonings that my grandmother uses. Okay, so we added the lima beans into the boiling water that had the meat in it. And here is Hattie always tasting the meat.
Good.
Okay, so go ahead and add the seasoning, Grandma. So first she's going to add the seasoned salt. And my grandmother, of course, her favorite kind of seasoned salt is Lawry's. And this is where I get that no measuring from, y'all. I learned to cook from my grandma who does not measure. Okay, and now she's going to add the garlic.
Love garlic.
Shake it, Grandma.
I'm shaking it.
And she said the reason she didn't put the, what should I say, the ham bone in there because what?
Didn't put too much Lowry seasoned salt in there because the ham bone is already seasoned.
Okay. So now she's going to add in some onion powder. And you always taste the broth to make sure you got enough flavor in it. All right, Grandma, so how long do we let this boil for?
Well, it depends how long it takes for it to get done out. What temperature you cooking it on.
Okay, but typically, should we put it on medium?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to boil this for about, what you say, about 30, 45 minutes, and then we'll check it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so to make it thicker, go ahead, tell them, Grandma.
To make it thicker, you can either add butter or either just a little flour and water, or either cornstarch in water.
Okay, so that's what you added, just a little flour and water to that. All right, and you're going to add it in to the lima beans. And she's adding it in when it's almost like halfway through. Okay, and now the lima beans are done. After my grandmother added that flour in, she just let it simmer and let the sauce thicken up. And we have our turkey necks and we have our ham bone in there as well. And then some milk. She likes to stir the ingredients one by one first. And now she's going to add egg into it.
One egg.
Now, Grandma, you add a little bit of milk as you go.
I just do it.
And of course, she's going to add a little bit of sugar. Well, not a little bit, because we like it a little sweet now.
Yeah. Because my family like Jiffy Meal, and Jiffy Meal is sweet.
Yeah, they do. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to add vegetable oil. And Grandma, tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Okay, so my grandmother just adds a little bit. Okay, so my grandmother just adds a little bit. They're like, kind of like, reminds me of like pancakes, but it's fried cornbread. And you want to make sure you add just a little bit because they swell up a little bit. And then they don't take but like probably like a minute or two. And you just flip them over. Okay, and these are it, fried cornbread. Basically, it looks like little pancakes, but these are so bomb. And I know once my friends see this on my Snap, they're going to be cussing me out. Okay, and these are it, fried cornbread. Basically, it looks like little pancakes, but these are so bomb. And I know once my friends see this on my Snap, they're going to be cussing me out. And there you have it. These are lima beans, turkey necks, and fried cornbread. Well, somebody told me they call them whole cakes. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video with me and my grandmother today.